My name is Peter Reddy. I'm from Khammam, Telangana. My education qualification is a master's in English Literature. Before that, I have experience as a operations analyst in I work for NGO. From my friends and well-known beings, like when I got interested to learn data analytics, I searched from the Google and also as well as in the Quora and YouTube some videos, and found this Learnbay is the best platform to learn about the data analytics as a good to get a good knowledge. My experience in Learnbay, like the teachers, instructors as having experience and industry experts, I feel they good and well during the class, and also took some doubt session in the Learnbay for some topics, like 2-3 doubt sessions. Yeah, during the class, I felt the teaching of these experienced trainers is different from a new professor or new instructor. I feel I gained some good knowledge about industry as well as so, and to know about in-demand skills, and to know the what's going on in the industry. I did a few projects on the SQL and Power BI and also Tableau. Especially the advanced MS Excel and Power BI and SQL was helpful for me in place as a business analyst intern at a Triaright, which is located in Hyderabad, and also gained experience, hands-on experience to understand what goes in as a data analyst or a business analyst. These projects are helpful for me, and also the final test and also final mock interview and a presentation interview. One placement test, like Learnbay refers me for one company. I'm ISO as a data analyst for a data analyst role.